is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Holly Oliva. If you're new here, that's okay because so am I, girl. Oh my god. I am gonna take you guys on a little adventure with me today. We're just gonna go do some regular schmegular activities. I have the kids with me. It's really the first summer activity that we're doing that doesn't cost too much money, just trying to get out of the house. We're gonna go to Indian Rocks today. There's a coffee shop that my son and I want to check out called Sunshine Joe's. There's also a nursery out there called Wilcox Nursery, and they have a focus on Florida native plants. So I want to pick up a couple plants for my yard just to try and attract more pollinators. I've noticed that this year the amount of butterflies and bees I've seen has gone down drastically. So I just want to pick up a few things to try and bring them back. I have plenty of birds. I'm just trying to attract more bees and butterflies and help our ecosystem because it's being torn apart by developers. So just trying to do what I can, I guess. So come with us. Let's go look at butterflies and plants and a local coffee shop. It's a little bit of a drive from us, so I guess I can't really say local, but it's still Pinellas County, so I guess we'll just say that it's local. Did you lock it?
Yeah, I locked it.
Oh my god. That was scary. This is the coffee shop as soon as you pull in. It's really whimsical, okay? Don't say I didn't warn you. It is very whimsical. You never know what you're gonna see around every corner. These are the croissant selection. I don't know if they usually have more, but what they did have was really good. We ended up getting 2 cinnamon rolls and an oatmeal cream pie. Here's their menu if you're interested, and also their social medias. If you want sugar and eggs for breakfast, it's only $10. It was very eclectic and whimsical, like I've already said 5 times. Look at that, whimsy. They had a cute sitting area, multiple sitting areas. You can use their internet if you want to go in there and work a little bit. Didn't take my daughter long to find the toys, which I thought was a cute touch for the kids. Here we are having fun. I ended up getting the banana bread latte, and when I tell you it tastes exactly like banana bread, I am not kidding. I don't know if I'm easily impressed or what, but I honestly couldn't believe it. It even tasted like banana bread that had walnuts in it. How did they do it? I don't know. My son and I ended up playing a game of Jenga. We were there all in all for about an hour. Then it was time to go up the street to the nursery. It was about a 3-minute drive. As soon as we pulled up, you just saw people happy to be there. The workers were walking around tending to everything, watering plants. They have lots of little trinkets. We were instantly helped. They asked if we were looking for anything in particular. I said native wildflowers, native plants. They said it was easier for them to show us what wasn't native in their selection, and it was mostly vegetables and herbs. We had a worker there named Chase come help us, and he was so knowledgeable and enthusiastic. You could tell that he really liked his job, and if he doesn't, he was really good at faking it. Hey Chase, if you ever see this, thank you so much for your help. My son really enjoyed talking to him. They spoke extensively about plants, and it was great. My daughter even helped and had a good time, and he gave her a little piece of flower that she was swinging around. We did end up getting a blueberry bush because I wanted to give the birds something, you know, just something a little cute. But I want to also talk to you guys about the importance of Florida native plants. They have evolved over thousands of years to thrive in our climate, our soils, and deal with our seasons. They provide food and shelter for native wildlife like bees and butterflies and birds and even small mammals. When we plant natives, we're supporting the entire web of life around us. Native plants also help reduce the need for fertilizers, pesticides, and extra water. That means cleaner rivers, lakes, cleaner oceans, and I know y'all like to come visit our oceans. Less harm to our fragile ecosystems, okay? Like the Everglades, which are dying, they're being ripped up. In a time when development and invasive species like humans are threatening Florida's natural balance, if we all start planting natives, it's a powerful act of conservation. Whether in a backyard or a school garden or in a public park, each native plant we add strengthens Florida's future. Let's grow green, baby. Healthy, more sustainable Florida. One native plant at a time. Thank you so much.
Woo! Oh my god, it's so hot. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson on planting native born plants in whatever state that you live in. There's a lot of construction happening in Florida. A lot of investors are, ripping down our wetlands, and everything that makes Florida beautiful is slowly being destroyed. I think that we can at least try to save this beautiful state. Politics aside, Florida is my home. I was born here. I love it here. And if you guys are ever in Indian Rocks area or Largo area, I hope that you check out Sunshine Joe's. It was such a cute coffee shop, and thanks for hanging out with us today. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Ciao, cacao. Yeah, let's water the garden. That's right, water my plants.